miserable idiot. Get out of this place, stupid idiot. If you want this marriage to end, let it end. If you see, instead of installing this camera, this marriage should end though. Hey.
How are you?
Hey, honey.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. How was your day?
I'm good. You had a beautiful day, right?
Yes, I did. And you?
It was good, stressful, but the usual. You know how it is now.
Oh, you look tired.
Yeah, I'll just go in there, freshen up. And what did you prepare for me?
I made you special.
Now you know.
Vegetable soup.
That's true, honey. I was thinking about something.
Okay. What is it?
I'm thinking about installing CCTV cameras in the house. I mean, for our own safety, let's be able to keep track of everything. We need to, know what's happening, the cleaners coming in, all the handymen and workmen coming in. We need to know what's happening so that in case we misplace anything. I mean, imagine me looking for my other phone. Imagine how long it took me, but if there was that, I'll just go through the camera and know where I kept it.
Yeah, you're actually right, but I don't think we need a CCTV camera in the house. I'm always in the house. Whatever you need, I can handle it. I take care of everything in the house. We don't need it. Why do we need it?
I think we do need it. That's what I'm telling you. Because, I mean, it helps for articulation.
Articulation?
Yes.
What do you mean by articulation?
So that we will know everything now. Plus, people come in here.
I'm always in the house. I'm always around.
You cannot be here and be in the kitchen and be in the room at the same time. You can't be everywhere.
I'm sorry, honey. We can't install it. What do we need it for? It's as if you're monitoring my movements in the house.
Oh, come on now. Why do you have to go there?
No, because...
So why don't you want me to?
Because there is no need. It's waste of money. It's waste of money. Total waste of resources. We don't need a CCTV camera in the house. I'm in the house. We don't need it.
Babe, you know what? Just relax. We are installing it. Sleep over it. Think about it.
No, I'm not sleeping over anything.
Reasons
no,
why
I'm sorry. There is no reason.
We need it.
We don't need it. I don't want us to install anything in this house. It's on period. You're not installing anything in this house. That's invasion of privacy.
Whose privacy? Sorry.
My privacy.
Who is invading it? Your husband. Both of us are one. So what are you saying?
No, I said I don't need it. I'm always at home. You go to work. I'm taking care of the house. Your responsibility is keep providing for the house. My responsibility is to take care of the house. What do you need a CCTV
is wowing me. I'm in shock.
In shock?
Why are you being this dramatic just because I want to install CCTV for our own safety? For our own, it's for us.
No, I don't need a CCTV camera in the house. The next thing, people will start coming here to start looking at our house because we have a CCTV in the house. I don't need it.
You know what? Just like I said, sleep over it. Get me something to eat.
I'm not sleeping over it.
You
are not installing anything in this house. It's on period. You're not installing anything.
I've said my own. Prepare my food, please.
Wait, come here, this man.
Wait, though, you mean your husband wants to install CCTV camera in this house?
My dear sister, I am so pissed right now. My body, they pepper me. Can you imagine? What kind of nonsense is that? He want to install what? In which house? How? What kind of that's invasion of privacy?
What privacy?
Which one was what privacy? My privacy, of course.
No, but this shouldn't be an issue.
Why? Babe, why?
Wait, though, don't tell me that you are cheating.
What is your problem? Are you mad? Don't you have sense? I need to help myself. Girl, time don't pass now. My husband is a 2 seconds man. Just climb on top. He's done. I'm starving. You don't expect me to be carrying boys outside, jumping from one hotel to another now. No, that's impossible. I need someone that will pamper me, touch me, make me come like wet. My husband, he just come, boom, bishop style, pa, 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 boom, boom. He's done. He comes down from work, he sits on top, and the next thing, he doesn't romance me. No romance, no caressing, no play. Play with a woman. Some women, you need to take your time to touch them. He doesn't know the right spots to hit. No spot. He just going boom, boom, bam, and he's done.
Are you being serious right now?
No, I'm not being serious. So if I serious pass this one, a national hospital, they carry me go.
Mama, you get mine though.
No, I don't get mine, girl. I am helping myself. And if this man eventually puts CCTV camera in this house, it is done. How do I bring my sugar boy into the house?
Wait though. They cheat inside this house.
Aha. He just left not too long ago. I had so much fun. I'm so satisfied. Whenever he comes back, he wants to do his nonsense bishop style. I don't care. I just sit like this. I sleep. Once he's done with
Wow.
his 6 seconds and he's gone. But the next day I call my baby boy. He comes to the house. He pampers me. He takes care of me. He touches me from head to toe and I feel important and alive. I'm looking fresh, refreshed, rejuvenated, and happy with my life.
Anyways, I'm not in support of all these things you're doing. No. I will say my mind. As
There
your
is no way you will support me. You can't
As
support
your
me.
friend, one kasala boss, no involve me. No call me for phone. No.
Nothing will happen.
Don't call me.
Nobody will catch me.
Anyway, Sha, yeah, I would like to hear more of these adventures. You know what I'm saying? So just get me something to
Don't worry,
drink.
I'm coming. I'll give you
Come and gist
latest
me.
gist and give you the styles so
Hey.
you can take it, learn from
My friend is
professional.
enjoying.
I'm
I can't wait to
coming.
hear. Go get me something to drink. Something strong, please.
Very strong, stronger than your head.
That shall never end.
Oh baby, Jesus
Oh,
is tickling me. It's
bring
tickling
it
me.
on, baby.
No.
My yellow milkshake.
Yeah.
You like it, right?
Yeah, I do. I miss you
Trust
so
you.
much. I miss you so much. Okay, baby, come. There's something I want to discuss with you. You see, my husband, I don't know what the problem is. It's as if he's suspecting something.
Why did you say that?
He came in the other day. He said he wants to install CCTV cameras in the house. And you know you're my real happiness. You're the only reason why I'm still smiling, looking this fresh.
You were able to convince him not to?
Yes, I convinced him. I tried, and he said he was going to think about it. And this is the only place we can have fun, come and stay together. You know, I can't be jumping from one hotel to another with you, my husband's friends, his business partners.
You have to try and convince him not to install it.
So what do you think I should do? Because I really want to be with you all the time.
You know what?
Yeah.
I will come up with a plan.
Are you serious?
You know me.
Ah!
First things first. Let's go inside the workshop.
Are you serious?
Let me-
You have some new styles.
Let me.
You have some new package for me.
you
Oh,
trust
baby,
me
I
now.
love you so much. I love you so. Carry me.
Welcome. So it's very simple, okay? So we're going to have one there to check this angle to see everything very well. Then I'm thinking of one here to be able to cover this other sphere. Kitchen. Okay. Good.
Hey, honey. You're
Hey,
back.
baby, yes, I'm back.
What's going
How's
on
it?
here? Who is it?
Oh, this is the guy who's going to be doing the installation of the CCTV cameras. So he just came to survey everywhere and check it.
Wait, I don't understand. Survey what?
Survey to know where he's installing it, the angles that will
Installing
work.
what? I thought we talked about it. And you said you're not installing anything anymore. I thought we agreed on you not installing the CCTV.
We spoke about it and I told you to sleep over it. I've given you 3 days, you've slept over it.
No,
and
I've
slept
not
and
slept. In fact, I've not even closed my eyes over it. There is no CCTV camera on this house and it's on period. I told you I don't want it. What's the meaning of this? Why are you invading on my privacy?
That's why you're this aggressive about it.
No,
it's just cameras for our safety. It's just cameras.
Safety over what? Who is stealing from you? Who is stealing you? Is anyone stealing from you? Is anyone accusing you of anything? Has anyone stolen anything from this house? What's the meaning of this? Why are you putting CCTV? Wait, what are you suspecting me?
Suspecting you? What? Are you doing anything?
No, I'm not doing anything. So why are you installing a CCTV camera in the house? You're trying to make it look as if you're indirectly telling me that I'm not a good person. That's why you want to install a camera here.
Babe, I've given you 1,001 reasons
No,
why
the reasons are not
valid.
They are not valid enough.
Right.
I don't like the reasons. Which one is your installing camera because you want to know if you forget biro here, you forget what nonsense excuses is that? No, open up and tell me, honey, I am suspecting you. I don't trust you anymore. And I will know if you want this marriage to end, let it end. If you say instead of installing this camera, this marriage should end though.
It should end because of CCTV cameras.
I don't want it. I don't want it. It's on period.
Please.
You, Oga, carry yourself, come up for this house. I mean, get out of this house.
Check as we spoke. Do it as we spoke. Check everything. Then by tomorrow you come and install it. I'm done talking about this. I cannot have this argument with you again.
You can't have what nonsense arguments.
We are installing.
I'm not done
cameras
talking to you.
and
Don't
that
pass here.
is final. I'm done talking about
No,
this.
I'm not done talking.
When you're done, please, my food. Oh no, it's not what rubbish you're doing.
Oga, come here.
What?
Pa? What are you still doing here?
No, we're fixing just the microchip.
No! I will fix your head. You see this your shape of head? I will shape. Get out of this place right now.
Just
Get out of this place before I will redesign your face. Oh.
Sorry.
So sorry for your miserable self, idiot. Get out of this place, stupid idiot. Can you imagine this idiot? If I stone you, you can't get out of this. Can't get out of this place. Babe.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. This one you're sitting here like this. I thought you were going out.
No, I'm home today.
Oh, you're home? Oh, should I get you something to drink?
No, it's fine.
What happened?
Nothing. I want to ask you a question.
Oh, sure. What happened?
What is the main reason you didn't want us to install CCTV cameras?
Are we still on that issue? No, are we still on it?
We are not still on it, but I want to know what exactly the reason is.
There's nothing. I don't just want it.
You don't just want
Yes, it's as if you're invading on my privacy, you're suspecting me, or like I'm doing something bad. I don't like it. We shouldn't be having this conversation. Let me get you something to drink, I beg.
Oh, what you mean this privacy?
Jesus Christ. Holy Ghost.
So this is the privacy. This is what you didn't want me to see all this while. You frolicking with your yellow boyfriend. Is that not him?
Oh. When did you install the CCTV?
Shut up. When I installed it doesn't matter. What matters is that this is the reason why you've been hiding it. This is why you've been fighting me.
No, there's misunderstanding somewhere. This is AI.
It's AI.
Yes, it's AI. It's AI. It's not me. Someone cloned me.
Do you know what baffles me the most?
What is it?
Is the fact that I would have let it go. I mean, when I brought up the whole CCTV installation thing, if you had spoken to me like a human being, I would have let it go. But the way you were fighting over it, how aggressive you became, just because I wanted to safeguard us for our safety, for security measure, for security. I wanted to install this, and then you went haywire. You became somebody else because of this.
Have you been suspecting me?
I never suspected you.
Then why did you install the camera?
Because of our safety. Don't you get it?
What safety are you talking about? You invaded my privacy.
Really?
You invaded on my privacy.
Really? It's okay. That's good.
Jesus Christ.
I know how much I love you.
I love you too.
I know how much I've put into this marriage. I know how much I've wanted us to work forever.
I want us to work. We can still work.
Just tell me why. Why?
Why what?
Why did you do this? Why did you cheat on me? Why?
Because you're not doing it well. You're always coming quick. 2 seconds. You always
shut up your mouth and stop defending your promiscuous self. You cheated because you want to cheat. You love cheating. It's your nature. It is in you.
It's not me. It's not.
When we are in bed, when we make out, I know how much you tell me to stop. When I pound you and hit you different styles, I keep going and going. You beg me to stop most times. And now you come here to say I'm a 2 seconds man. I don't satisfy you. I come quick. Are you okay? Me that is a machine. I come quick.
No, the machine is no longer working fine. I needed new machine. Oh.
It's fine. It's okay.
Please forgive.
You have done your worst. This is the worst you can do.
So what do you want to do?
I have watched this video over and over again.
Jesus.
I have cried. Now I have no more tears.
Please delete it.
Don't worry. No worry. Your secret is safe with me.
Thank you. I know you will
The
not
only
do
thing that
anything.
is not safe with me is you. I'm not safe with you.
Why?
I need you to go in there, pack everything that you own, and leave my house.
Which house? This one? No, this is my husband's house. So where will I go to? Where will I go to? I'm not going anywhere.
If you don't want to see the beast in me, you will go in there and pack everything. You have no husband. I am not your husband.
You're my husband.
I am done with this madness. I am done with this sham. I don't ever want to see you again.
Why did you install the CCTV camera? Why did you install it? Why we were living in peace, we're living in happiness, we're living in harmony. Now you're destroying this marriage. You're destroying this marriage.
You shut up your mouth! Go in there! Pack everything that belongs to you and get out of my house. Now!
Are you serious? You're divorcing me without my consent?
Are you stupid?
What is stupid? Let's go to court and
Okay, get out! Come on,
where's my property? My share! My share of this marriage! My share!
Get out! Come on, get out! You are stupid. Get out! Get out of here!